is my first vlog. I'm really excited, and actually, as a matter of fact, today is the 2017 winter snowstorm, so it's pretty cool. Alright, well guys, I'm gonna go outside, pick up my friend George, and I'm not really looking forward to it. It's starting to get really nasty out there. It's not even snowing, it's hailing. So, wish me luck, I guess. Heyo. Alright, we got George. Let's go. How do we do this? Just press the button. Yeah. That one. That one. Oh, okay. Got it. It's actually Alright, we just came back really quickly to grab some footballs. Going to the park now. It's gonna be pretty fuego. It's gonna be pretty fuego, my son.
Oh, wait, wrong.
It's okay, George. Okay, well, it's been real, George.
I'm seeing you.
Okay,
Okay. Peace.
see you tomorrow. Nice.